Tsaka, tsala, tsaka.
Okay naman siya, kasya lang sa asawa ko at tamang-tama lang. Very affordable.
1 star.
Mali binigay nila. Iba order ko sa binigay, ayaw pang bigay pa kunwelo. Mali nang order nila. Order ko black, binigay blue.
Fake. Nawawala yung amoy. Like what the fuck? Bakit ganun? Tubig lang ang laman. Kala ko sulit 80 pesos ko. Scam pala. Scam! Huwag kayo bumili dito. Kabad trip. Kaloka. I mean, that's what you get for 80 pesos.
Maganda naman ang quality. Kaso nga lang, brown po order ko. But black ang dumating.
Girl, what the fuck is you talking about?
Super bilis. May libre na din siyang lubid. Bilis din dumating. Sana all mabilis. Feeling ko magtagal to. Recommended shop. Bili na kayo dito. Yes! I got it. My order. Pasensya na. Ngayon lang nakapag-rate. Easy kasi. Nagagamit na po naman. Kaya thank you po sa seller at sa Kuya Rider.
Wrong item. But it's okay.
Legendary!
Sira yung box, king inang yan. Binayaran pa yung box tapos puta, sira. Ayusin nyo naman pagbebenta nyo. Buisit na shop to, kainis.
How do you know that I have responsibilities in my heart's desire? For my heart and my family is very much like a little of it. Thank you so much for your high star rating. Non-stop usage. Maputi. Sakto lang. Good skincare is important for the following reasons. Helps your skin stay in good condition. You're shedding skin cells throughout the day. It's important to keep your
Okay yung quality. Kaso lang yung t-shirt, amoy tae ng pusa. Grabe, nakaka-disappoint.
Napakaganda ng tunog. Buong buo parang pagmamahal ng jowa nyo. Thanks. Seller sa magandang murang earphones. Buy ulit ako. God bless you. Very good. Expecting for a live plant and not seeds. I have no experience at sowing seeds, so I phone not know if I can have a live plant from this.
Why are you the way that you are?
Maayos sana yung candle kung walang mga dents at hangin sa loob kaya nagkaroon ng hindi magandang hulma yung wax sa loob ng glass. Tinanggal ko kasi ang sticker dahil kailangan pero di ko in-expect na ganito pala ito. Also, mahina ang baga ng candle at napakanipis ng wick kaya madaling mamatay.
Okay. Nagkakarashes ako, di ko lang alam bakit. Pero thank you, seller. Thank you po, seller. And kay Kuya Rider.
Okay, salamat.